Okay, this morning we're working on this Stihl. It's a 91R there. Basically, the inner shaft in here is wore out. It's supposed to be nice and square. Like here, I'll show you on this. It's supposed to be nice and square, like so. And then you got a shaft, but on one side here it is not square anymore. So what we're going to do, we're going to weld this up, grind it back down flat on the four sides where it'll get back in the clutch, and then it'll be fixed. So we'll show you how we do that. Here's what it looks like after it's welded. And now all we got to do is grind it back down and we should be good to go. I'm trying to get y'all to focus here. Okay, see how that, you can still see the flat right there? That's what we're going off of, and we're going to shave it down. Okay, Socorro. Ahí. Stay plano with ahí.
Aquí, así.
Sí, güey.
Así, güey.
Sí, güey. Wonder how long this is going to take. Probably going to take him a little while. We'll be right here. Coral? Coral, what you think? ¿Cuánto tiempo?
Maybe 10 minutes. No?
10 minutes with that Lima. He's been working it. You just got to keep the plane and just keep going. Think it's bueno? What we did, we knocked this out of another one so we could use that square to see. And guess what? It fits. Fits and it's good. So, we're fixing to stick it back in this weed eater and see if it works. And we'll let you know. The way this goes in here, there's a bunch of, there's basically a series of bearings through that tube there. There's about 5 or 6 of them going up through there. And this thing just slides in there. You got to make sure you get it right and get it in that clutch up there. Quite in the clutch yet. We've got to get it lined up in the clutch there. Get it pushed up in there. We want it nice and snug. On a momento score. Get the martillo. Tap, 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 tap. We're going to take a hammer and tap it. Make sure it gets all the way up in there. Deep as we want it. Maybe no. Pull it out. Oh, finger in the way. Pull it out. We'll see what's going on with it, and we'll let you know something here in a minute. Okay, what we have found out, we've got an Echo and we've got a Stihl. I went off the Echo just because it was the easiest one to get to, and the Echo, it fits, but it's a little loose. But the other side's the same. Well, a Stihl won't even fit on there, so we're cleaning it up with a file and getting it down close. But that's what our problem is. once we get it down here, it should go right in. See, it's just about there. And y'all thought we was going to use a grinder. It's a lot better craftsmanship if you do it by hand. It's going on there a little bit. Tricky is not to bend this shaft. You bend that shaft, you ruined it at that point. And not go over too much. Roll it 180 degrees. Another thing that'll kill you is if you get grease on your file. And there it is. Nice and tight. It'll go on there. Come around on this side. It's nice and tight and it'll go. But it's tight. So, and it's a perfect square again. Wherever it's at, there it is. Perfect square again instead of 8 up. So we'll slide it back in there again. Here's the core. Hold that. It's still on. Hold. Let's go and keep. Get it in the middle where it'll slide in the bearing. We want to try to put it in that clutch end up there. Yeah, and it went. See this time how deep it is? See how deep it is? It went all the way that time. And I can hear it hit up there. But the clutch ain't turning. Well, that clutch does not want to turn up there. Okay, well, we'll slide the other piece on and we'll come back to it. Score, give me the end there. You got to turn this a little bit. And it'll go. Score, give me this one. He wants to turn it straight because he don't think he knows how to line that up there. Okay, start. We'll see if it turns. It wasn't turning before. working all the way. They that's just a common problem with them. They strip out all the time. You've got to stay on top of it. There ain't really much you can do about it. They strip on these edges. It's usually because they're bouncing them on the ground. See how bad that blade is there? That's where people's just been bouncing it. So gets it off center, gets it all screwed up. But if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, film, subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already, and we'll catch you on the next one.